I want to welcome you again to this channel, and this is GR Multimedia, the channel of tutorials. Okay, I entreat all you to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and videos. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to change your computer desktop screen or your desktop wallpaper. In this tutorial, we are using Windows 10 as our case study. So this is the default wallpaper of Windows 10 or my desktop. This is the default of my desktop. So if you want to change the wallpaper, you click on any space outside the icons, any empty space, you right click and you select personalize. And you select personalize, this dialog box will appear. Then you come to the side. You are dealing with the background, so don't go to color, don't go to lock screen, don't go to theme, don't go to start. You are dealing with background, so make sure the background is selected. Then you come to this side. Which type of background do you want to use? Do you want to use a picture? Do you want to use a solid color, that is a uniform color, one color, or you want to use a picture in a slideshow? That depends on what you want. So let's say you want a picture. You select your picture, then you come and choose the picture. There are default pictures on the default pictures that Windows 10 brings after you have installed. So these are one of the default picture. There's another one, and there's another one. So you can select any of them and it will take effect. That you select, it will take effect on your computer screen. But if you don't want any of these default picture, but you want your own picture, this is my own picture that I imported. So if you want your own picture, you go to browse, then you locate where the picture that you want to use as your wallpaper is located. Okay, let's take for instance my picture is located in the is located at my desktop. My desktop. So I'll click on desktop and locate the folder. So the folder is here, graphic parties. Then you scroll to the picture that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this picture. Then you select it, then click on choose picture. So if you select that, you see it will take effect immediately. So that's how we use picture. So if you don't want picture and you want to use a solid color, you select the solid color. The colors are here, so any of the color that you want, you can choose to apply on your screen. Also, you can choose slideshow. Slideshow means using multiple pictures which change from time to time. So if you want to slideshow, you select slideshow and come and choose the kind of picture that you want to show. So you go to browse and you select about 2 or more pictures. Then you set the time you want them to display. So if you want it to display, if you want each picture to display after every 1 minute, you select, or after 10 minutes, or after every 30 minutes, or even after 1 day, you select it. Then it will take effect. Let me select 1 minute. Then you go to shuffle. So if you want your picture to shuffle, or you want them in order, you click no, you turn it off. But if you want it to shuffle, you turn it on. You allow your slideshow when the battery's power is on. So when your machine is on battery, do you want the slideshow to work? If yes, then you take it, you select on. But if you don't want it to work whilst your machine or your computer, your PC is on power or is on battery, then you select no. Then you choose how you want it to fit on the screen. You want it to fill the screen, you want it to stretch or in a tab form, or you want to place it at the center, or you want to span it. So anywhere you want, so you can select it whilst you watch your screen to take effects. So how you want it, you select it. So that's how you can use any of the three options to change your background color. So after you have done that, and it's you are satisfied with the wallpaper, you click on close button here, and you are through. Okay, I'll end here and see you another time in our subsequent tutorials. But please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. God bless you. Bye bye.